XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about gold against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you'll find some links that say join free Telegram channel, so go and join, and it's free by the way. Check out the brokers in the profile right here. So sign up with these brokers because I want you to trade with my signals in a separate account. I'll explain all that in Telegram, so make sure you are into my Telegram first, okay? And then sign up with the brokers. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. There's nothing to explain in gold. We have been in the uptrend for a number of years now. Gold has been in the uptrend because understand one thing: gold is a real currency, physical currency, commodity. I can talk a lot. I can talk about a lot of things, but let's not do that. Yeah, so gold is a physical currency, so we as in me, I'm assuming that gold will remain in the uptrend for a long time to come, especially when these wars are happening. People are dropping bombs and missiles on everybody these days. Okay, it's quite fun, right? And not so for those people who live there. So this is a pullback. So in last 2 weeks we had been taking a pullback in gold, and then let's come to Delhi. In Delhi we are near the EMA. It's time for jump back. Ooh. Last time we were near the EMA, we went up and we did not make a new high, did we? We opened here and then we did not, and then we have a rejection. Okay, so to me, it looks like this is the candle, right? So last, on 25th of June, we had a blue candle, small blue candle, okay? That could be the signal that we will continue going up. So we had a rejection on the long wick on 24th. And 25th, we had a small blue candle. That could be a good signal for going up. Coming back to 4 hour, we are below the EMA. Okay, so in 4 hour, we are in the downtrend. So confirmation is not there yet. Okay, our entry should be for long. Okay, we are looking for longs in gold, right? So once this high is broken, that's the confirmation of the continuation of the uptrend in 4 hour. That's pretty easy. I think what should you do? I would not ask you to look for shorts in gold anyway if you're a swing trader in gold, okay? But let this high be broken because I want two things to happen. I want the blue candle to close above the EMA and then at the same time break some high. So this could be the points. Okay, so if I place my line right here again, I'm feeling sleepy, man. Okay, this is your previous high. Okay, this is your previous high. So once next blue candles will break this high, then we will close above the EMA already. Okay, so my both conditions will be fulfilled. The candle will close above the EMA. That's one condition, and then the previous high will be broken too. So both conditions will be fulfilled for the continuation of the uptrend. Okay. Anyway, so if you want to be on the safer side, for the safer side, let this high to be broken. Okay, so once next blue candles will break this high, that is not your entry. Then wait for the pullback for the retest of the EMA. Then in the when in the pullback the candles retest the EMA, then after that you will have a small blue candle. That will be your entry. Okay. So I don't see any entry in gold anytime soon if you're a swing trader, okay? But if you're a scalper, you do 15 minutes gold trading or half an hour or 5 minutes, I can't help you with that. I can only do the analysis, okay? So if this high breaks, then wait for the pullback or the retest of the EMA and then enter the long after the blue confirmation candle. That's gold for you, gold diggers. Subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, and just join the brokers. I'll see you when I'll see you. That we sleep. Bye-bye.